These ads have probably shown up on your Facebook, Instagram page, maybe more than once. And if you're on ecom or you run ads, you might have just scrolled past it, but I couldn't. I stopped, I watched it 10 times, then I went and found every other AG1, Facebook, Google, TikTok, Instagram ad I could get my hands on. And what I found is one of the most sophisticated ad systems running on Meta right now. From a brand that most people write off as a supplement company, AG1 is doing hundreds of millions of dollars a year, and Meta is a big part of how they're acquiring customers at scale. So in this video, I'm going to reverse engineer the whole thing live. The hooks they use to stop the scroll, the offer structure they've built to lower the barrier to buy, and the landing page they send traffic to, and why it converts so well. If you run ads, sell a product, or are building any kind of brand, this breakdown is going to change how you think about your own funnel. I'm Joel from Ecom Mastery, where we break down what's actually working in ecom and paid ads using real stores, real data, and real examples. Subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this, and let's dive right into this video. So why AG1? Honestly, because they kept showing up. I run ads for multiple stores and I track what brands are spending consistently on social media platforms. Because if a brand is running the same ad over and over for weeks, that means it's profitable. That means it's working. And AG1 has been running Meta ads nonstop for months. So when I pulled them up on Meta, specifically on the ad library, I found hundreds and thousands of ads, different hooks, different creators, different formats. But when you look at all of them together, a very clear system starts to emerge. That's what we're breaking down today. And I'll show you everything live so you can apply the same thinking to your own brand or your own clients. So let's actually get started with the hooks, where this is where they're doing really, really well. So as we could see, the daily health drink, super simple. Get your free welcome kit. Great hook. People are like, wow, this is something free. They're also running video ads.
I know if I want a lot out of my body, out of my mind, my energy, I have to put the right things into my body. Oh, it's good.
So that's a great example of a really good ad with the really good hook, because this is where AG1 is doing something most brands completely miss. I went through all their TikTok, social media, Google, all their ads and creatives and categorized every single opening hook. They all fall into 5 clear buckets. The first one is the hook, the routine hook. This is what I take every single morning. This is what I do. Literally the ad that we just went through. And that's it. No product name, no claim, just a person holding a glass and taking about their morning. Why does this work? Because it's not an ad. It looks like someone sharing their routine. And on social media, routine content gets massive watch time because people are obsessed with how other people structure their days. The second thing is the skeptic hook. I was skeptical about this for a long time, then I tried it. This one is a genius, but it disarms you immediately. Instead of making a big claim that triggers your sales radar, they lead with doubt. And that makes you trust everything that comes after it even more. The third one is the problem first hook. For example, I was bloated, tired, and crashing by 2 p.m. every day. No mention of the brand, no product, just a problem, raw and specific. And that core issue is what makes it land. Tired is generic, crashing by 2 p.m. every day is something you feel in your body when you read it. The fourth one is the authority hook. Someone like a doctor, a nutritionist, a professional athlete, or an actor like Hugh Jackson. Here's what I actually recommend for daily nutrition. When they say stuff like that, trust is transferred immediately. No selling required upfront. The fifth one is the curiosity hook. I replace my entire supplement stack with one thing. That's a bold statement that raises an immediate question in your brain. What is it? And now you're watching to find out. A great example is get your free welcome kit now. People love free things. So whenever they see that hook, it's gonna catch their attention. All these 5 different emotional entry points, they all lead to the same place, which I'll show you in a second. The lesson here is that AG1 is not running one ad. They're running a system. They're testing which emotional hook resonates with which type of person, and then optimizing budget behind whichever one wins. That's how you scale, not by finding one perfect ad, but by finding which hooks work for which audience segment. So now let's talk about the actual offer, because this is where AG1 really separates himself. AG1 is not cheap. A monthly subscription runs about $79 to $100 depending on the plan. So how do they get someone who's never tried it to pull out their credit card on an ad? They built the risk reversal offer so strong that the price almost never becomes an issue. And I'll show you guys right here. So as you guys can see, with this, you get the free welcome kit on this ad. And when we go and shop right now, all right, so we landed on the landing page and this is their offer structure. They place everything where they're giving you so much value for free that it's a no-brainer for the client to buy the product. So they're giving you about, my math is really bad, but about over $60 worth of products completely for free. So it makes you realize like, wow, my $79 is actually not that bad and I'm getting it for even a discount. So that's their offer structure, and that's when you're landing directly from the offer. And as you guys could notice, the landing page, it's super clean and super simple. You have your call to action right here. Get your AG1. So we click on it and it just takes us, it gives us a pop-up, which is even a bigger discount. You get another 20% off. But then this is where you could choose. You could do a monthly delivery, you could do a 3-month delivery, and then you just add it once and you go from there. It's actually so simple, so clean, and very, very easy for the customer journey. But now let's be real. Those products cost AG1 almost nothing to include. But the perceived value to the customer, it's huge. You're not just buying a green powder. You're getting a supplement bundle worth $50, $60 for free just for trying it. That's how they get you. Then the layer in the subscription model, subscribe and save, it's always positioned as the default, the obvious choice. And once someone is on a subscription, the lifetime value of that customer is massive. At one TikTok ad that costs them $15, $20 to run, or a Facebook ad might generate them over $1,000 in revenue over the next 12 months from one single subscriber. Now, they have a 90-day money-back guarantee, free shipping, and they can pause or cancel anything at any time. Because now the risk is completely off the customer. They can try it for 3 months, and if they don't love it, full refund. Most people won't ask for a refund, but knowing they can, that's what gets them to buy in the first place. And here's the thing, this offer hasn't changed in months. That tells you it's converting. When a brand keeps the same offer structure running consistently, it's because the math works. So now let's walk through the entire landing page, because this is where most brands lose customers they already paid to get. AG1's landing page is one of the cleanest, highest converting pages I've ever analyzed. So let's go through the whole thing once again. So once you land from the ad, you're gonna see right away you have a call to action. Really, really nice. You keep going down and you're gonna see some testimonial, some real video ads, some famous people, athletes. You also have some actors. You also have percentages that gives you trust in the company and what you're putting yourself inside your body. So it's a lot of trust that the customer is gaining from just scrolling through this landing page. The customer experience is very simple. They're gonna see what they're getting for. What are the actual benefits of getting this product? And as you guys can see, it's very, very simple. They don't overcomplicate it. They don't put huge paragraphs. It's very simple, straight to the point. And by the end, they have the frequently answered questions, which is so important. You don't want to lose a sale because someone is confused. So let's dive in to the actual buying page. So part of the funnel is getting you to understand what you're getting, the benefits, and once you're in, this is where you could choose the monthly delivery, and this is where you add to cart, or you just buy once as well. You can check the supplement facts, you can see who's it for, the benefits, how to use it, quality and certifications, and then you could check, which I think this is genius, all of the different benefits from multivitamins, probiotics, from other products like greens and multivitamins. And it keeps slamming you with a lot of information that's really valuable and really simple and easy to understand. So in my opinion, this is great. There's a reason why they're doing so well, just because all of their landing pages and their funnels are very, very clean and easy to understand. So here's the exact playbook you can pull from this whole breakdown. 1, don't run one hook. Build 5, 10, test the routine angles, the skeptic angle, the problem first angle, the authority angle, and the curiosity angle. Let the data tell you which one wins. Second thing, lead with a strong offer, not just a product. Free gifts, bundles, and guarantees lower the barrier to buy more than any discount ever will. The third one is build your landing page in this order. Outcome to headline, trust signals, benefit grouped ingredients or features, depending on your product or your service. Then do some FAQs and video testimonials. It's gonna help you a lot. And a repeated CTA at the top and at the bottom. The fourth thing is push people towards a subscription only if your product allows it. It completely changes the economics of your business. The fifth one is study brands like AG1, the same way I just did. Pull their ads, analyze them, go through the whole process and journey, walk through their funnels, and then reverse engineer every single decision. The playbook is already out there. You just have to be willing to look and research. All the tools that I use to break everything, I'm gonna put them down in the description so you guys can use them yourself and research and investigate other brands, products, and services. Koala Inspector, it's for analyzing Shopify stores and seeing the apps and tech. TikTok Creative Center, completely for free, great for finding top performing ads by category. And then Facebook ad library as well, completely for free. So again, if you're going to check out any of these tools, I'm gonna put a link down below so you can try them out yourself. If this breakdown gave you a new way to look at ads and funnels, drop a like and subscribe. It genuinely helps this content reach more people. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions on what I should be filming next. Always happy to read through all the comments. And again, I'm Joel with Ecommerce Mastery. I'll see you in the next one.